Last year pa yan eh. Dapat final nila last year. Wala eh. Ginagamit nila yung COA. Humingi hanggang makahanap kayo ng anong pwede namin gamitin. And all because we are in this mess, all because gusto ni Martin Romualdez mag-president, hindi siya makontrol ng presidente natin na hindi marunong magdesisyon. Walang decision-making skills at all. Zero. We are wasting time as a country on what we need to do. Kawawa na tayo. Pero nandito tayo. God, nandito tayong lahat. Fishing for evidence so that we can demolish a family that is a threat to our personal gain. We are wasting time. This country should be working on being competitive, jumping to middle income, aspiring to be a first world economy,